Good afternoon. I just wanted to share something when we get into this self-love, self-worth video. Yesterday I had an appointment with someone to help with marketing, and it was interesting during the half-hour conversation that I had with him that I have not let go of many of the business challenges over the last 15 years. So by the end of it, even though I could hear that he was saying the words, well, whose problems is this? Is it time to move forward with the future? Perhaps you are not looking at this in a creative way. What have you learnt from the past? How can you move forward? He was asking all the right questions, but I could feel it. By the end of the conversation, I felt frustrated and angry and like he did not understand me. And he did not understand the challenges of when you are running a business, putting hundreds of thousands of dollars into it each year for rent and team members, staff, stock, that sort of thing, and just not getting the return. So I realized last night, what a surprise, that my life lesson is that I still have not let go. If you are thinking about something from the past and it still creates a charge, an energy, a fear, anger, makes you feel less than worthy, there's still a charge in there, and it's still affecting every cell of every day and stopping you from helping you move forward. So I would like to do a little release for you and for me. So it's around self-love and self-worth. So once again, I'm going to be running central meridians, emotional stress release points. Anything I do, just follow along with me and just feel the changes in your body. I value myself and my purpose. I value myself and my purpose. I realize that I am an integral part of the universal plan. I realize that I am an integral part of the universal plan. I have complete love for myself, which extends out to others. I have complete love for myself, which extends out to others. I am happy being me. I am happy being me. I am the most important person in my life. I am the most important person in my life. I now choose to overcome self-worth issues. I am happy with myself just the way I am. I now choose to create my self-worth. I now choose to increase my self-worth. I respect myself now and always. I respect myself now and always. I am worthy of receiving everything I desire. I am worthy of receiving everything I desire. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be praised. I deserve to be respected. I release all self-judgment I release all self-judgment stopping me from moving forwards. I fully approve of myself now and always. I release the need of approval from others. I release the need of approval from my family. I release the need of approval from my genetics. I am at total peace with myself now and always. I am at total peace with myself now and always. I am happy being me. I am happy being me. Have a fabulous afternoon. Sleep well tonight.